Whew, so guys, there's a lot of heat outside, right? And still some people want to play VR. So I prepared the best VR accessories for the extreme heat so that you can still play VR without dying because of heat. Yeah, so I'll show you the Meta Quest 3 accessories from Meta themselves, from BoboVR, VR cover and things like that. In the description you will find the links and coupon codes for the accessories. My name is Thomas and you're watching Voodoo.de. Let's have some fun with the video and let's go.
Voodoo.de.
Okay guys, let's go through all that stuff here. So here in my studio, actually it's 38 degrees Celsius. Perhaps you see that I'm sweating like a pig. It's insane. So I try my best to cool everything down as good as possible. So let's check it out. So let's first talk about active cooling. And there, perhaps many people know it, my absolute favorite and I think even the best ever is the BoboVR S3 Pro strap for the Quest 3. That is absolutely amazing. I think it's even for the Quest 3S, right? I'm not sure. Does it say it here? Yes, it's also for the Quest 3S. Yeah, of course. So let me show it. So this is the head strap here. It's here on your head and on your back. This is a nice leather material, so when you sweat you can easily wipe it. It's no problem. And the most important thing, we have a fan here. This is a cooler and that blows the air inside your face. So you will push this button and now perhaps you've heard the beeping and you can use the screw here to put that on 100%. And now this is, I love it. I love it. Let me take a little, no, this is really great. And this is powered by the integrated battery, this battery here, yeah? And that's absolutely amazing. The S3 Pro strap is that. And you can play like 2 hours more with the integrated battery. This is really awesome. And the set, the S3 Pro set is $90. And I think that's a really nice price, right, for this. It's absolutely amazing. And this is definitely the best active cooling solution for Quest 3 and Quest 3S, in my opinion at least. If you found something else, just put it in the description, of course. I want to learn. Yeah, I want to learn more. So, so this was active cooling. So now let's talk about facial interfaces. We had the head straps and now facial interfaces. So the facial interfaces are these guys here. Let me pull it out. It's sometimes a little bit. So this one here is, it fits to the S3 Pro. It's the BoboVR F3 facial interface. And look at this here. It has those slots here. You can see that. And that blows the air from the fan of the S3 Pro inside your face. But not in your eyes because the slots are not here, but they are in the middle and right and left. And that blows the air in your whole face. And that's absolutely amazing. It fits perfect. Also the material, you see the sweat here, you can just wipe it. It's no problem. Yeah. And that's absolutely amazing. You can even use the wheels here to adjust the distance between the lenses and your eyes. Perfect for people wearing glasses. And this facial interface, the F3 facial interface, costs you $20. And that's also, I think, a fine price. You can find all the links in the description below. I love it. The combination of the S3 Pro and the F3 facial interface from BoboVR are really, really nice. But there are, of course, also other companies, for example, Meta themselves. If you don't want to spend like $90 plus the $20, then you can also use this here. This is the open facial interface from Meta. Look at this. It's just open. I can put my hands through that. You see that? And this open facial interface is from Meta and it costs $40. Sounds a little bit much, but yeah, the official accessories is always a little bit expensive. Let me show you the here's the package. This is how the package looks. And that's absolutely amazing because you can play mixed reality really good because you can just see everything around you. And of course, the air flows everywhere in your face and so on. You can put a fan beside you and then let the air blow and it comes through that. It's really great. $40 for the open facial interface. Link in the description. Meta has also something else. This is the silicone facial interface for the Quest 3. You can see that it looks the same, but it's not open on the side, but it has silicone. If you prefer silicone, you can use this and then you can wipe it better. That's also great, right? And this is also $40. And then we have stuff, for example, from Kiwi Design. We have the V3 facial interface here, and this is the cover. You see this leather material here. Artificial leather material, and this is also nice. It has some cooling spots here from Kiwi Design. I love that. They are also doing very, very good accessories. That it's pretty the same than this one here, but with leather instead of silicone. That's also great, right? And this set of Kiwi Design is $25. And I think I have a coupon code. You will find it in the description. Then I have something from AMVR, but I don't have it right here. That's the problem. I don't have it in my studio. It's called AMVR Q3 FC1 facial interface for Quest 3. It's $29. And this is also like from leather and looks pretty similar than this, but from AMVR. They are also doing very, very good facial interfaces and so on. If you want the easiest and perhaps the cheapest way, no, it's not the cheapest way, but it's an easy way, then go for the VR cover. VR cover is doing high quality covers, and look at this. This is a VR cover, and you will just put it on the original. I'd show it now with the open facial interface, but you can use it with everything. You just put it here over that, yeah, like this. You put it over that, and then, yeah, you have the cover like this. It looks like this here, and then your face touches the cotton material, and it sucks the sweat inside. Yeah, and then you can just remove it and put it in your washing machine. And there is always a set of two. So if you have one in the washing machine, you can use the other one. Yeah, and that's really nice. And the set of those VR covers for the Quest 3 and Quest 3S is $34. That's pretty much for just some pieces of cotton material, but they are really good and very high quality. Yeah, I think I have some for the Vive, for the first VR headset that I have, and they are still good. Yeah, so it's nice quality. VR cover. There's also a coupon code in the description for all the VR cover stuff. But what you can also do, this is interesting. I can show you something. If you have a halo strap design like this here, just remove the facial interface. Remove it completely, whatever you have, and then just wear it like this. Give me a second. And now look at this. Yeah, my nose doesn't even really touch the headset, and I can still use it because the weight is here on my forehead, and I can see everything around. It's good for mixed reality. And of course, the air flows everywhere. And you can put a fan on the side or so. That works nice, right? And this is very easy. And then you can, for example, only buy the S3 Pro and then just don't use any facial interface. That's also really nice, right? That's what I also use. So guys, that was active cooling and facial interfaces, but we also sweat on our hands, right? And there I also have something for you. Look at this. These are the controller grips from BoboVR. They are called G3 controller grips, and the pair is $25. Look at this, it's really great. I can put it on my hand, and it has like these channels, the sweat channels, so the sweat flows away here. Yeah, and the cool thing is I can just open my hand and just cool it a little bit here. If you have the original controllers, I don't have them right, then it dangles around here, or you have to hold it all the time like this. But with this one, you can just let it go and do a little bit of air here and so on. It's really great. And also it's protected here, yeah, right? It's like rubber material. Also the sweat is flowing away. There is also from Meta themselves the active straps, but they have only this here. Let me show you. This is the original package from the Meta Quest Touch Plus controller active straps, but they are very expensive. I think like 40 euro or so. This is too expensive for just those straps, yeah. And from BoboVR you get for $25 the whole thing here, including the straps. That's really much better. So don't buy the. I mean, Meta has nice accessories, first-party accessories like this one. It's also expensive, but this is at least very good, the open facial interface. But the active straps are just too expensive for what they can do. There's also a set with the BoboVR controller grips in the charging combo. This is CD3 controller charging combo. It's for Quest 3 and Quest 3S. And then you can just put the controllers on the charging dock and they are charging wireless. That's also nice. I made a separate video about this if you want to see it. It's absolutely amazing. And that set is, I think, $50. So guys, I think I showed you everything, right? The S3 Pro, the facial interface for the S3 Pro in combination, then the open facial interface from Meta, the silicone interface from Meta, then we have the Kiwi Design facial interface, then I also told you about the AMVR, and yeah, then we have the controller grips from BoboVR and the charging combo. Everything you can find in the description. I have a lot of coupon codes for you for some of the accessories, but you can still go via my link and support my channel a little bit. And sometimes you get like 10% discount. That's really nice, right? So make sure to check it out in the description and in the first pinned comment. Yeah, if you found something else, what's also very nice, I want to know it. Please put it in the description so other people can check it out. But at least in my opinion, this is the stuff that I use frequently and I really love it. Especially the S3 Pro is absolutely amazing, but also the open facial interface and this stuff here, really nice. Also, I love VR cover. All the stuff here is really good. So make sure to check it out and have a nice summer. Without sweating too much while playing VR. I tried the best to cool me down. I also have an AC here, a mobile AC and stuff. It's crazy. It's 38 degrees here. Wow, insane. So guys, I hope you liked the video. If yes, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you next time in virtual reality. See ya.
Bude.de